As one of the leaders in Kisoro district and in Uchimbiri county constituency, Kwizera, Hon.Eddie, Gahungu, I have observed there are some things that are keeping us backward. Some of the things that are keeping backward the country, the district, and the Uchimbiri is for people to always, forever get involved in things which are out of season. Out of season means that when we are in electoral campaigns, we are politicizing, we are in politics, we are campaigning. There is a time for campaigns and a time for working. I want to appeal to everyone that this is a time for working. We campaigned, we finished, they elected all those of us who won, and they did not elect everybody because not everybody can be elected. So people chose their best, who I am very lucky to thank the people in Uchimbiri that I was among the candidates and I was going to be the best. But for us to develop, we needed to now change our agents. Those who were my campaign and the political agents, I'm advising them that you now change it to become development and unity agents. Because if we are not united, and if we are not truthful, we are not transparent, and we are not mobilizing for development, then we shall not achieve anything we promise people that we shall achieve. So let us have our agents, our supporters, be agents of change, agents of development. There are those people who have decided to keep on keeping the people with Uchimbiri backward. Like they go to endless politics, ending court cases, court litigations, divisionism. Let us not hide behind the politics to cause disunity, to hide behind religious organizations and religions to cause disunity, but let us be truthful to ourselves. So I would appeal that we shall not develop, we shall not achieve development unless we know that the season for development is now, the season for uniting is now, and the politics ended with elections, and we appreciate and recognize whoever passed through. Being transparent is that when you are a leader, whether a religious leader, a political leader, LOC, councillor, member of parliament, make sure you are truthful and you tell the truth. What you say during the night should be the same thing you say during the day, and what you say when you are with your own people, the so-called your group, should be the same thing you say when you are out of that group. Because when you say something in your group, and it is different from what they know you of, that means you shall not involve. So I would think that let us be united as Uchimbiri, let us not be divided, and my issue will now be focusing on home income, helping the common person in Uchimbiri to come out of poverty, and attaining sustainable development. I thank you very much.